Welcome students for your EVS class. Now in the last session, I think you all remember what we were doing. We were doing chapter 7 about plants. And in this chapter, what did we see till now? We have seen the different parts of the plant like the root, the stem, the leaf, the flower, birds and their functions. So we will continue further with this chapter and let us see what is there in this chapter which we will study today. Now before going to the topic of today, first I would like to tell that in roots, there are basically two types of root, the tap and the fibrous root. This you keep it in mind. Roots, tap root. It is generally found in trees. And this tap root holds the plant firmly to the soil. And the other is the fibrous root. These you will find in grasses. They are not so strong. घास अगर तुम प्लग करते हो तो इजीली प्लग हो जाता है. So these are not so strong roots. So roots two type. Now come to our topic of today. Types of plants. Now this also you all are studying from the very beginning like class 1. But see what is there. The types of plants are trees, the shrubs, the herbs. These three all of you know, I am sure. Now in trees what you will see, you will find taproot. The trunk, तना जिसको बोलते हो, that is very strong and it is woody and चौड़ा भी होता है. And root, as I said, it is the taproot. Example you all know, mango. Many examples are there. You can write anything. Neem. Shrubs. Shrubs भी तुम्हारा इसका भी जो branches है woody ही होता है, लेकिन trees से थोड़ा कम चौड़ा होता है और इसका जो branches है वो जमीन के ऊपर से ही उगना शुरू हो जाता है. जैसे आप hedge, बहुत सारे आप घर में देखे होंगे boundary hedge से बना होता है. That is the example of shrubs. Herbs, they are soft. The stem is very soft and generally green in color, like tomatoes. Sunflower. ये सब तो आप commonly देखते ही हैं. These are shrubs. Now, based on the life cycle, means एक plant कितने समय तक उसका लाइफ साइकिल कंप्लीट हो रहा है. जैसे ईयर आफ्टर ईयर वो ग्रो कर रहा है, या एक ही साल में वो फ्रूट्स दे के इट इज़ डाइंग, या फिर 2 साल में वो फ्लावर्स दे रहा है, फ्रूट्स दे रहा है, एंड देन इट इज़ पेरिशिंग. सो वी विल सी 3 टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट्स अगेन. One is the perennial, the second is the biennial, and the third is the annual. Now perennial plants किसको बोलेंगे? For example mango tree. Mango tree आप क्या देखते हैं कि साल के बाद साल every year it is growing, it is giving flowers, it is giving fruits. So these are perennial plants. Means they are growing year after year, they are producing fruits and flowers year after year. ठीक है? So कोई भी tree perennial हो जाएगा. Biennial, from the word biennial, bi means दो. So this type of plants, they complete their life cycle in 2 years. In the first year they will grow and produce flower, and in the second year they will produce your fruits. For example, you can take carrot. कैरेट अगर तुम्हारे घर में उगाते होगे, देखोगे ये 2 साल लगता है अपना पूरा लाइफ साइकिल कंप्लीट करने में. शुगर केन, गन्ना. ओके. एंड एनुअल मतलब 1 साल. ये सारे प्लांट्स अपना लाइफ साइकिल 1 साल में कंप्लीट करते हैं. मीन्स एक ही साल में वो ग्रो भी करेगा, वो फ्लावर्स भी प्रोड्यूस करेगा, वो फ्रूट्स भी प्रोड्यूस करेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन टेक योर डालिया फ्लावर. So this is what is the topic which we have covered today, and I think you all have understood and hoping to see you in the next class. Till then, take care, stay safe.